Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll guide you on how to report a group in WhatsApp Web. Reporting a group can be useful if you come across inappropriate or offensive content. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer by launching the WhatsApp Web application. Step 2. Next, click on the desired group chat that you want to report. Step 3. Once inside the group chat, click on the group name at the top of the screen. Step 4. Scroll down on the right side of the screen to find the option Report Group and click on it. Step 5. Confirm the report by clicking on Report in the confirmation prompt. By reporting a group, you are helping to maintain a safe and respectful environment within the WhatsApp community. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp web tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.